Morning everybody, it's 18th of January, we're at Teesside for the practice day. We were going to be running NDC, Northern Drift Championship today, but unfortunately they didn't get enough entries, so they're just going to run a normal drift practice. There's about 15 cars here I think, so we're going to get loads of track time. Well anyway, it's been a while since we've done a video, so here we are. Yeah, we've done 3 or 4 drift days since the last video. You might remember our last one was that we upgraded, or we flow matched some injectors. We haven't put the injectors in yet. The reason being, about 3 months ago we ran another set of big ends on the engine and it was time to sort it out properly. So although our baffle sump worked pretty well, it didn't solve all our oil surge issues. So we decided to sort it properly. And we went out and we bought an Accusump. So we fitted the Accusump to it, and beforehand when we were doing big drifts and coming out of them, we were getting the oil pressure dropping down to almost zero. With the Accusump in, we've never seen it below 40, so that's fixed that. Well happy with that. We've also moved the oil coolers and done a bit of plumbing in that department to try and get the oil to run a bit cooler. So you know, a bit of work in that, but while we were doing the Accusump it made sense. We've obviously swapped the main bearings and the big ends in the engine. We're running ACL race bearings, which were the same ones that we had in, but they work a lot better with oil pressure, it turns out. And the final upgrade that we've done is that we fitted door bars, and that means that we can now twin. So we're here at the track today, and hopefully we're going to get some twin practice in. So we've got a couple of friends coming who've got cars, Drift Cup and BDC drivers, more experienced than us. So we're just going to follow them round a bit, and later on in the day hopefully start to get a little bit of proximity going on. We'll wait and see. So we've got 6 sets of tyres, we've got 100 litres of fuel, we've got the car sorted out, so we'll get it out on track and see how we go. Beautiful day for it. This was the first run of the day. We've been playing around with launch control just to get the settings done. So you can see it here popping and banging, we haven't got it quite right. Clear day, it was very cold, and the first thing we realised on this first run of the day is just coming out of South Bank Corner, there's a strip in the shadows here that is nothing but ice. So of course, trying to go around there with a big drift on, we just had a big spin. Anyway, easily recovered, we got going again. Then we'll try again. Because the car's got so much power, we've given up setting it off in first gear. We just go off in second. Bit of clutch slip, off we go into third, and we're going into South Bank about 75 miles an hour today because that's as much traction as we can put down. This was a much tidier run, that's the ones we were looking for, and it's always satisfying when you obscure the sun with your own tyre smoke. Another tidy run here, and please let us know in the comments, do you like the picture in picture, or do you like it when it switches between the front and rear cams? We'll put the rear cam on next. Please tell us. it was at this point we decided that Leon needed to have a go, and what better car to learn to drift in than a crazy Lexus LS400. We turned it down to about 450 horsepower because that's as low as it goes. We let him rip on the west track. He was using second gear, a small spin there, and then he got the rest of this run nailed and just got better as the day went on. So here's some footage of Leon.
that was a tyre touch right there, the rear left corner.
Looks like somebody's got some polishing to do when we get back to the workshops. Yes, Leon, that means you. Anyway, back at it. In second gear, Leon was doing so well, I decided to let him loose in third gear, and he kind of nailed it. Well, after Leon doing so well, we were getting short of tyres, so it was time for me to take it back again and do a few runs out on the main track, the national track, and finish off the tyres that we had. Leon was running and fully linking the national track earlier on in the day, which was great, and all we had to do was run these tyres off, and unfortunately the rear view camera had gone flat, so we've only got front footage here, and then I moved the camera onto the boot lid later. All in all, we had a great day, great sessions, and the car just ran like a train the whole day. All we did was put fuel and tyres in. Well, there we are, we're done. We're doing this in the dark. We're using the next door neighbour's headlights here. That's been a good day. The car is on the trailer over there. It's run like a train all day. Leon's been doing big third gear drifts. He's linked both tracks. And what have we done to the car all day?
Nothing. We've changed tyres.
Fuel and tyres.
Fuel and tyres.
That's a good drift day. So that's 9 hours of drifting, 80 litres of fuel and 4 tyres. Happy days. So that's it. You've seen where we are, and join us in a few weeks. We've got a special treat. We are going down to see OG Gast and he's going to do a feature on the TurboShed. I'm not sure what he's going to think of that.
Considering he does courses in 900 brake or Skylines,
It's different.
It's a bit different.
So we will send a link when we get there. His channel will be linked in the description here. So thank you very much, everybody. We will see you next time. More power.
More power.